No, I am not. Yes, I am not an ally. I supported President Duterte, former President Duterte, when he was the president, because it is the duty and obligation of every Filipino citizen to support the president. But when when his term ended, my support, of course, is to President Bongbong Marcos. As a Filipino, you have to support the government. You have to support the president. You have to support the administration. Pero ano ginawa ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte? Binastos niya si President Bongbong Marcos. Binastos niya ang gobyerno. At ngayon, gusto pa niya magkudita. Saan kayo nakakita na ganyan former president? Gusto niyang baliin at baliwalain ang konstitusyon. Gusto niyang lumabag sa batas ang mga military. Gusto niya ang military ay maging mga tau-tauhan na sunod-sunuran sa hindi makatarungan at mga paglabag sa batas.